The fact of the matter is that outsiders can come in and get that support. You know how they feel as outsiders to come and get that welcome. Encourage them that what they're doing something good, which they are doing something good. But when our reggae boys and reggae girls play, the support is not there.
What I saw was shocked me. I've been to so many games all over the world, and I've never seen a home team cheer for the opponent that much, dressed in the opponent's gear. Listen, we can respect Messi, we can rate him, he's the number one player in the world, one of, because there's Cristiano. But the fact is, you cannot. We need to develop our own pride.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lion, I speak of myself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, another man of pace, and me always at the violence of the streets, living love, unity, and strength. So me I say, yes, my life is the greatest gift, man. I say it. I don't know over there. Just forwarding from the States last week, and I mean, we got the whole Philadelphia, New Jersey, Queens, big up Bronx. You see me? Yeah, man. Greatness, man. Mad Dog, big up yourself on the one done. Jamaicans, yeah, man. True. Yeah. Yes, man. Yo, Philadelphia, nice. I tell you, no man. I see my viewers and subscribers, but they are just forwarding from the gym, from the Kim. That's what I say. The leisure center. Yeah, man, go do some burn off some calories. Cause now I'm not touching it. Go do some exercise on the belly, you know. All the liquor I consume over the past few weeks. You see me? And yeah, so I just, you know what I mean? But I there want to share my sentiments in about Jamaican, how them behave. You know what I mean? I think it's very disgusting. And you know, as a certain period I say, yeah, I tell us Jaja, God. We see a lot of people are share them, give them opinions, and you know, each to their own opinions, and you know what I mean. We see Dr. Love come out and spoke about it, give his views, his in, and I don't know. What about people? You see me? So we have two videos now from Craig Butler also, the general and not big coach Craig Butler, big yourself, share his views as well. They look bad people, they look bad. Nah, like look bad because as bad as things be, you know, Messi, God in football. Cristiano Ronaldo, God in football. I myself would love to meet them one day. You see me? You see them play, but I would love to meet them one day. But that no mean say we for act like that, you see me? That no mean say we for act like that, brother. Big up all of the Arsenal fans, them, you know, gunners for life. You see me I say? So beat Chelsea yesterday 1-0, but I'm gonna give my views on that on my next channel, Arsenal Referee and Coach TV. So we're gonna subscribe to that one. They say now we can reason about the football, but yeah, it's bad, as bad as it is, man. Don't forget support to no own, man. You see man all a smell up Messi sweat up jersey. That is bad. That is bad. We see people lying up on the ground in the national stadium and them never meet Messi yet, never support in team, not just because the man come to Jamaica, which is good for the country. And you know what I mean, for income wise and everything there, you know what I mean, it's good. A good look, you know what I mean, to play at national stadium. But come on, if you behave like that, no sir, that's just my view still, you know. Let me know what y'all think, but there's two ways to it. People have a right to celebrate because I know people at Jamaica love football and we idolize Liverpool, Manchester, you know what I mean? The Real Madrid and the Barcelona, them and the players, them, yes, but them come and play at Jamaica. You're not supposed to stick to support Cavalier, man. Support a local team. You see Messi come on and score. I wonder if them make Messi score and Messi score naturally. I want to see up and make Messi score if you think look good, you know, but you see the Prime Minister cheer, celebrate, and we see the people them get mad. stadium sell out and the people them are go crazy for Messi. How you think the local players them feel? Eh? How you think the local players them feel? So watch the people them, no encouragement, no support. I will see it in every aspect, every different areas and angles. Even on the music, a white man, and this is nothing racially or nothing, you know what I mean? White man, you come to Jamaica and get more support than you as an artist we are trying a long time, and then when the people where they're on, not support you, but make a white man come, a white woman, or somebody of different race or creed. I see the love and respect them get in the same profession where you are try, a bust your brain and your head, and a hustle and a bustle to get through, Then rather give the person outside the support. See? But I don't know if they own still and I saw your thing go. But anyway, here what Dr. Lover say and Mr. Butler, and big up on yourself. I don't know. Support your own. See? Remember, support your own. Big up.
Cavaliers FC is not my friend, not my favorite club, and for sure, Speed and I don't get along. But I went to the National Stadium and I went to support a Jamaican team and a Jamaican coach playing in this game. What I saw was shocked me. I've been to so many games all over the world and I've never seen a team, a home team, cheer for the opponent that much, dressed in the opponent's gear. Listen, we can respect Messi, we can rate him, he's the number one player in the world, one of, because there's Cristiano. But the fact is, you cannot. We need to develop our own pride. As a footballing nation, we're not that far off from Inter Miami. We're not that far off, or the players are not that bad. We actually need to start to believe in more in our players, more in the potential and the capacity to grow. We need to stop selling ourselves short in terms of transfers and where we send our players. We need to work hard on the development because the natural ability is there. And we need to start recognizing that pride in our nation goes beyond fan worship. We should have all been there to support Cavaliers in Cavaliers gears or in Jamaica gears or in nothing at all. But definitely not in Inter Miami gears. And we would never be able to go to an Inter Miami game and see the people of America in Jamaican gears cheering for Jamaica against Inter Miami. You would never see that. Start to believe in ourselves as a nation, as a footballing nation. I've been trying for 20 years for you guys to get it. We can be much greater than we are. And if you ever doubt it, look at Usain Bolt. Look at what Leon is becoming. Yeah? One day, I still believe that Leon will be one of, if not the best player in the world. And if not Leon, then it will come up one of the other boys coming up. But we have to instill that pride in our country. Instill that belief. Instill that faith. And it comes not from just the federation or the clubs, but the people of Jamaica. Stop breaking down everybody. Stop ridiculing the Craig Butlers or the Speed or using it as a means to argue. Give supportive comments. And try and let's see how we can build this nation's football. Anyway, one love still. May I wait for whisper.
You guys get me wrong, but when I look at the National Stadium last night, all Jamaican come out and support. Oh, they was on the high. They make it a priority to be out there. Everybody's cheering on them, bring them shirt. The stadium is full. And when our own football team are play, we don't have that much people. Them don't get that much support. The fact of the matter is that our outsiders can come in and get that support. You know how they feel as an outsiders to come and get that welcome. Encourage them that what they're doing something good, which they are doing something good. But when our reggae boys and reggae girls play, the support is not there. We not go out like that, we not support them, we not cuss them, day go night go and all of that. And guess what happened? It can be discouraging. Supporting somebody, encouraging them and things that they're doing that is great will help them to go to the next level, motivate them, right? And everyone was out. Like me, it's a KFC empty last night, the road empty, everybody there stadium. What about when our people play? And don't get me wrong, I am not here picking on any white and black or your complexion or whatever it is, but we need to support our own when they are playing. We need to go out and encourage them. We need to give them that energy for them to continue to do what they're doing, right? And everybody was out last night because it's the outsiders, and it's like, yeah, the people and say, is this the same people that live in the country that fight against their own football team? They go out and they're supporting and they're carrying on the eye and everything, and trust me, the people was so on point to make sure that they leave work. Some of them probably don't even cook no dinner. That's where them have them dinner, everything. And look at the support. We need to see that same energy when our football team is playing. We need that same energy. We need to show the support on the team, just like our support others. And I'm not saying don't support others. You feel me? I say, but we need that energy. Please, let me see that. All right, big up.
Some people, I don't know when I that in a big up myself. I remember when I say, support your own. Support your own. Gene, don't make the man come and the woman come and scrape out of your country and take and cut. Invest in our own, help on our own and support on our own. Saying, and the man of peace, I will say love and blessings. Saying, stop the crime. Push shots. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.